Hi friends, I welcome you all for the channel of your UPSC friend. Let's discuss some of the current affairs MCQs for the prelims 2020. First question, which of the following recommendations are correct about 15th Finance Commission report? The first statement, the commission has decreased the share of states in centre's taxes to provide a dedicated fund for India's security needs. The second statement, the demographic performance criteria has been introduced by the 15th Finance Commission for the first time. Here we need to choose the correct statement. The 15th Finance Commission has recommended for the decrease of share of states in the centre's taxes for providing the fund for newly formed union territories, that is Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh, not for the dedicated fund for India's security needs. Hence the statement 1 is incorrect. In the second statement, the 15th Finance Commission for the first time provided for the criteria for demographic performance. Hence the second statement is correct. So the answer is 1. 1 only, that is A. The share of states in the centre's taxes has been recommended to be decreased from 42% during the 2015-2020 period to 41% for 2020 to 2021. It has been done to provide for the newly formed union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh for the resources of the central government. The 15th Finance Commission used the following criteria, that is income distance, population in census 2011, area, forest and ecology, demographic performance and the tax effort. The demographic performance criteria has been introduced by the 15th Finance Commission to reward the efforts made by the states in controlling their population by comparing fertility ratio with the data of 1971. Second question. Which of the following statements are correct about the question hour? The first statement, it is mentioned in the rules of procedure of both the houses of the parliament. The second statement, question can only be asked to the government members, that is ministers, and not to the private members. Here also we need to look for the correct statement. The question hour is mentioned in the rules of procedure of both the houses of the parliament. Hence the first statement is correct. The questions can be asked both for the government members, that is ministers, and also for the private members. Hence the statement 2 is incorrect. Here the correct answer is A, that is 1 only. The first hour of every parliamentary sitting is slotted for this, that is for the question hour. During this time, the members ask questions and the ministers usually give the answers. The questions are of three kinds, that is starred, unstalled and the short notice questions. The question hour is mentioned in the House rules of procedure in both the houses of the parliament. In addition to the ministers, the questions can also be asked to the private members. Next question. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Furrows irrigation. It is a type of surface irrigation in which trenches are dug between the crop rows in a field. Second, the surge irrigation. In the surge irrigation is a variant of row irrigation where the water supply is pulsed on and off in planned time periods. C. Sub-irrigation or seepage irrigation. It is a method of irrigation where water is delivered to plant roots directly from the below soil surface and absorbed upwards. D. All of the above. Here we need to choose which of these things are correctly matched. Here the correct answer is all of the above. That is, all the things are correctly matched. This is the image of the furrow irrigation. You can see here is the crops and there is a dig between the crops and the water is flowed in between them. The second is the surge irrigation. This is the image of surge irrigation. Surge irrigation is a variant of row irrigation where the water supply is pulsed on and off in a planned time periods. The third image is for the sub-irrigation or seepage irrigation. It is a method of irrigation where water is supplied directly to the roots of the plants from inside the soil. The fourth question. Which of the following statements is incorrect in the context of Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana? The first statement, it is aimed to provide livelihood opportunities to the returning migrant workers and rural citizens by creating infrastructure. The second statement, it is a pan-India program or Abhiyan. Here we need to look for the incorrect statement. The Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan is aimed to provide the livelihood opportunities to the returning migrant workers and rural citizens by creating the infrastructure. Hence the statement 1 is correct. It is not a pan-India program and it is only aimed for the 116 districts and 27 aspirational districts. Hence the statement 2 is incorrect. So the correct answer is 2 only, that is B. Garib Kalyan Rozgar Yojana is aimed at massive rural public work scheme to empower and provide livelihood opportunities to the returning migrant workers and the rural citizens. The campaign will create durable infrastructure along with boosting employment opportunities. This campaign of 125 days, which will work in the mission mode, will involve intensified and focused implementation of 25 different types of works to provide employment to the migrant workers. A total of 116 districts with more than 25,000 returning migrant workers across 6 states, namely Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand and Odisha have been chosen for the campaign, which includes 27 aspirational districts. These districts involve more than 2/3 of the migrant workers. The Abhiyan will be coordinated efforts between the 12 different ministries or departments. Next question. Which of the following statements are correct? The first statement, the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has launched the Aperi on Wheels. The second statement, it is aimed for the easy upkeep and migration of bee boxes having live bee colonies. Here we need to choose for the correct statement. This Aperi on Wheels is the program of Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Hence the statement 1 is correct. It is aimed at upkeeping and migration of live bee colonies in the bee boxes. Hence the statement 2 is also correct. Hence the correct answer is C, that is both. The Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises has flagged off the Aperi on Wheels. This is designed by Khadi and Village Enterprises Commission, that is KVIC, for the easy and upkeep and migration of bee boxes having live bee colonies. Next question. Four waters concept has been in news. Which of the following is true in the context with the same? First statement, the methodology of four water concepts revolves around the harvesting of available runoff in the rural areas. This runoff includes rainwater, groundwater and ensued soil moisture. The second statement, it involves treatment of catchment area, proper utilization of available water harvesting structures, renovation of non-functional water harvesting structures and creation of new water harvesting structures. Here we need to look for the correct statement. These four water concepts revolve around the harvesting of available runoff water in the rural areas. Hence the statement 1 is correct. In the second statement, it involves the treatment of catchment, proper utilization of available water harvesting structures and creation of new water harvesting structures and also renovating the non-functional water harvesting structures. Hence the statement 2 is also correct. Here the correct answer is C, 1 and 2 only. This is that is 4-water concept. This is the low cost technology that can increase the recharge of groundwater by 4 times and provide thrice the benefit than conventional models. The methodology of 4-water concepts revolves around the harvesting of available runoff water in rural areas. By renovating the catchment area for proper utilization of available water by harvesting the structures. Renovation of non-functional water harvesting structures and creation of new water harvesting structures. These are the questions for today. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.